This is what I have to do when I come home. Slave driven. Makes me cut wood. When I'm not down in the desert trying to run ghost lion, I have to come home and do chores. People who steal my beanie. I've been cutting on this wood for over 5 years. This pile used to go all the way over to here. So this is what I do when I come home. I do got a couple dogs here, but one's old and one's not so houndy. But let me show you. I got lots of stuff. All my junk cars. We pulled the 3/4 ton out of that one, put it in a 79 short bed. Motor's good on this one, 4-wheel drive. That's a 60s in the back and a short bed 75 Dodge. These are all cars that are gonna go to scrap. That's my slave driver. Oh, massa. So that's what I get to do. Chop some wood so she can be warm and feed my dogs while I'm gone and my animals. All her horses. So that's what I do my weekends home, and I got to work on my daughter's truck. And it snowed up here, so she couldn't drive up here because she's scared. Cody Lynn was scared to drive in the snow. That's what I do. I'll show you some other stuff in a little bit. So I got a lot of trucks. This one I gave my daughter. She just, ignition. She's gonna tear it apart, cut doors, blah, blah, blah. Make a dog truck out of it or whatever she wants to do. I bought this one. Had a battery in, a transfer case. I swapped it out and the transmission tail broke. So, it'll be a good spare. Either way. I just got to get it in the shop like everything else. My Cummins NV 4500 that I need to tear out and see why it's grinding and forth. This is a spare Cummins that's going in one of my mini, either my 48 Power Wagon or my 67 1.5 ton. One of the reasons I had to come up here is to haul some hay. It ain't cheap no more either. Got a little snow. I was supposed to be back down valley yesterday, but I use the snow as my excuse. Stay up here. Good hunting conditions. If you want to go train some pups for some lion. So we're gonna go ride today at a game water at the mules, and we didn't. We're gonna go coyote hunting. So we went to go coyote hunting, and my dad calls and says, there's a bunch of coyotes down here, but really he's stuck. So on the way over there, we stopped by this swap meet, and I found a 30-30, cheap. So I'm gonna buy it. So we're at the ATM trying to get money. And then we're gonna head over, try to get my dad out, chase some coyotes, maybe, huh?
Yeah, because I got my rifle pistol.
And maybe this guy has a box of bullets I could buy too. That way I can try it out.
A box of bullets.
It's a short little one, good saddle gun. So today's pull people out coyote hunting day. Or as much as we can, you guess. Let's go buy a 30-30. So I did buy that 30-30. Show me the 30-30.
Not bad.
$600. The Winchester, the 1894, is that a 94? I think it was, right?
Yeah, it's a 94.
Yeah. Yep. Can't beat that. Can't turn it down. We'll see who tries to steal it. He even put a new stock on it. Gave me the old stock. It's a little broke. A little bit. Now we're gonna go pull my dad out after we messed around and bought some guns. We'll record that too.
Bragging rights. Toyota versus Chevy. Figures, you know. Oh yeah, we bought the gun and he's like, oh, you got a winch to pull yourself out? You're about to, it's tense now. Had to put her in 4 low. Supposed to keep a snap and cut us in half. I got it. Oh, I guess I gotta. Gonna rip his winch off. Got the remote? Oh, you got it? This ugly kid.
$300 win. $300 win. And then it died, so I had to take. I took the belt off the alternator, and then LP would take turns spinning the alternator for hours. Kicked on, finally started. Boom! And got out of there. 2-wheel drive.
Same spot?
Same exact spot. But you could get up here before. They got it all weird blocked up.
Yeah.
No trespassing.
Ugly from generations to generations to generations. Yeah, it just keeps going.
Oh, get down in there. There we go. Lay down. I probably can't. I'm too old and slow to
Hey,
get
Trevor,
to it.
stomp right on that edge of that. Stomp on it. I was hoping he'd fall in. But I think I turned it off. I think I turned it off, and then you went to shoot, and I was all holding it. I'm like, I don't think it's recording.
Well, we came and pulled him out. Now we're gonna go try and kill a coyote. Yeah. We'll see who kills one first. Lyndon or Trevor.
I'll do it. Come on.
What was that?
I'll do it. It'll be me.
And I did
After you
shoot
guys
that.
miss a couple times.
I did shoot that 30-30, and it did shoot. It didn't blow up in my face. I was trying to record it, but I don't think it recorded it. So now I'm turning this off because I don't put my seatbelt on. It's gonna be.
Production issues.
Oh, come on.
What? What are you doing? Don't be afraid of bees. Get in here. You should see this guy running around scared of bees. He's checking out some bee boxes.
Rusty.
We found one coyote, huh, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
The legend.
Let me see, Lyndon.
Legend missed him.
Oh, you know how Legend had a hook get stuck to his fingers?
Mhm.
Lyndon got
That's a Cooper's hawk.
hook
That was
in his
Kyle.
finger. Okay.
That one's a Cooper's hawk.
I was telling him how we seen a coyote.
Trevor missed.
So your legend. He's telling me it's a Cooper's hawk.
I didn't even shoot because he's on safety.
Yeah.
I forgot
Trevor.
the safety.
Trevor tried to shoot at this coyote with his pistol and forgot to take the safety off.
Yeah.
Legend's
didn't get one.
pointing out birds because he's a fancy college boy.
Not too.
Cooper's Hawk. So everybody knows it's Cooper's Hawk.
Or I'm wrong, and all the
Or
bird
you're
people
wrong.
are gonna get on there and
Yeah,
be like,
probably.
"You're an idiot."
Oh, Matt with Off-Road Cover, he said, you can make a mistake in life, but you can never make a mistake
I
on
got this.
You
the
too.
internet.
I
Yeah.
got
Like on
this at
YouTube.
Circle K.
You'll get called out.
No one cares about your candy, dummy.
Did you eat all yours?
No, I
Can I
didn't.
have some? Not you, ugly.
No one likes your sour candy.
Sweet.
You don't know where you said it?
Oh, now Lyndon won't share his candy. I don't know what I did with it.
I don't know where my candy went.
Jesus.
Where are you?
I don't know. How did I get in here? Well, we're gonna go find another coyote. I didn't get that on video because it was hectic. And we don't put shots we miss on video.
I was just range finding. Now I know where my gun hits. Next one's goner. I know.
I didn't even get to. I don't know why I didn't get out and shoot at it with my new 30-30.
You had enough time.
I did, but I was just watching him shoot, and I'm just staring like a dummy. Didn't get the camera.
You didn't find your candy for me?
Oh my God!
I know. Stingy.
Well, you
Did
can
y'all
try
fall out?
I'm cussing like Alyssa. I have to bleep Alyssa shit out.
I've only cussed once in the matter of a 30-minute video, and Alyssa cussed 30
Oh,
times in a
God.
1-minute video.
Edited 10 minutes out of it.
Alyssa cusses like 100 times.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Over 100 actually.
Over 100.
In a 30-minute video.
Coyotes out there? I like to hunt these farm fields next to the dairies. I think this used to be an old Ahoba field. See if I can jump this without dying. Almost. I don't know what those are. Not a Ahoba, is it? What is that? What are those? Is that sage?
It smells good. I don't think it's sage, but
Smells a little bit like this.
Okay.
it almost smells like pretty fruity.
Gonna go try to do some predator calling. All right. Sit down. You want extra punch?
Oh, it
What happened?
I don't know.
Did you crap over there and smell them, make it all smelly?
No, we did it.
I didn't do nothing. Kids these days.
What happened?
Bad luck, that's what happened.
What'd you say?
Bad luck.
You? Me and Legend always get coyotes.
That is true.
Legend was 4 years old, called in 4 coyotes. First time. What happened to you guys?
Us?
Yeah. Huh?
Set the bar pretty high.
Yeah, it is true. I thought maybe we'd get a javelina. Being this
Well, I
is
saw
unit.
I thought we were
That
gonna
hawk or something dipped over there. I thought a coyote.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Probably was a coyote over
Should
there.
we just stay right
He
here? in
dipped
this
and then he
area?
set up on the
Oh.
top of that tree over there. So I don't know.
That's how I know them coyotes are coming
Should we
in.
stay in this area?
We'll go hit some other spots and call. Yeah, maybe next time. Oh, there you go. Shoot him. Shoot him. Never shoot him. Shoot him, man. There you go. Oh. I don't think I recorded that. I think I was looking at it doing this. Gotta be quick. Where were you? Well, you gave her hell, huh, Trevor? Someone else must have been. Ah, 22. You know you those ones.
Back there.
Because you got some buck ass teeth. Oh, that's a good one.